Welcome everyone. The other day we was back here with the AgriFab yard sweeper and we swept up all the leaves here beside the pond on hole number 6 of the golf course. And I was saying then when we were sweeping the leaves up that I would come back here with the har for the Cub Cadet, and we're going to break this ground loose a little bit. Then we're going to plant some grass seed. This is a homemade drag I have, or har. And I have two sides of this. One I can actually drag flat with, and one that I use here in the serrated teeth that I have cut into this to break soil loose. And I've just simply welded me some chain hooks here on the front to where I can drag this at whatever angle I choose to. This thing weighs about 70-80 pounds. It's pretty heavy. You can see I can also add weight to it if I need to. But back here, what we're doing today, the drag is going to do fine for us. And we're going to break the soil loose first. I'm going to spread out some grass seed by hand, and then we're going to cover it right back up by dragging this around a few more laps. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Not a big project, but a fun project. Thanks for watching. I'm going to use the Cub to drag this thing around, and that's going to help me in these tighter spaces up here. But this I-beam, first of all, you're not going to tear it up. I mean, it's heavy enough to where it'll take anything you want to put to it. Okay. Okay, now we're pretty tight against our clevis. So that's going to leave about 5 feet in between the mower and the drag here. And like I said, we're just going to start lapping this out and break this ground loose. grass seed now. And I'm not going to use a broadcaster. I'm just going to spread this stuff out. Doesn't have to be real thick back here. This is a fescue and a shade grass mix. Now when I continue to use this drag and run around this, it's going to spread the seed out a little better for me too. That's going to make this area nice over here. As I said in the video where we were sweeping the leaves, I have to mow this area anyway, so it might as well be some nice grass to mow. Birds don't come in behind us and pick all of our seed up, we'll do fine. Now, fescue is a hardy grass. You get this stuff started and it can take a bunch. It'll grow. Alright, let's get all of our grass seed down. Let's see if we can't run this stuff in the ground a little bit. then normally this channel will start filling up with debris and your drag gets heavier as well. And again, now you can actually pick up a new piece of steel if you want to make something like this, and you're probably only talking about $60, $70 worth of metal here. So, and it works real good. Again, because it can't truly dig, it just flattens out. It's broke the ground up enough to plant this, more than enough to plant the grass seed. So I'm happy with the results. Easy project that should go a long way for the beautification of the golf course as well as the pond. Now the Cub Cadet, dragging this thing behind it because you can turn so tight with it, that was easy. I might even get in some fishing. Maybe. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope some of this information helps you in some way. Again, just a simple project that's going to go a long way for the golf course, the pond, and I have to run this lawnmower over it anyway, so I might as well get some use out of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.